I'm currently here at Perry Bay Hotel and Spa. I'm staying in room 208 and let's have a look at my room. So as soon as you've come in, you've got space for your bags. Keep my shoes, well, my slippers here. You've got this open wardrobe. I've already filled it with some of my stuff. And I've got my trainers there. Continue through to the room. Nice large king size, queen size bed. Then this long kind of desk space, you've got quite a large flat screen TV. There's my workstation, so I'm working from here. And then you've got your tea making facilities in this drawer here. So you just pull it out. Nice little comfy sofa here. The room actually doesn't come with an ironing board, but if you ask for one, ironing board, they bring it to you. So that's why I've got the ironing board there. But it's a cute little sofa. If you just want to sit down and relax and watch some TV but don't want to go on the bed, nice little place to chill out. The desk chair is also quite comfortable because I've been working from there, but you know, sometimes these chairs that aren't adjustable aren't that comfortable, but for me it's been the right height, so I haven't been slumped over or suffering from any neck or back ache. And then we've got the balcony. So I've got my swimsuit drying up there. You can bring the other chair. I've got a chair inside the room which can be put here, but the balcony looks right over the coastal road. And you can open up these windows. If you want a better view, you can open these windows up. And then you've got a direct view of the beach. Lots of people on the beach today. Filming on my GoPro, so it's not picking up. You've got some people playing, I don't know what that thing is called, bowls, or when you throw the balls. If you are concerned about noise, you can actually bring this shutter, which helps to this shutter in, and on the other side, and that helps to block out some of the noise at night. But I've been fine, and also helps to keep the room in total darkness at night. So that's the room. Not all of the rooms. Oh, let me show you the bathroom. So you've got a walk-in shower. They've got a little window for ventilation. I mean, I keep it closed because, you know, I'm in a tropical climate. I'm paranoid about the little bugs and stuff. You've got a little shelf there for your toiletries. Inside the shower, you've got a little shelf there for your toiletries, and they've got a dispenser for conditioner and shampoo. I'm guessing the shampoo is body and hair, because there isn't a body one here. And then right on the ceiling, you've got a rain shower, which has quite a nice bit of pressure. You've got hot and cold water. So I've been here a couple of nights now, so that's why my stuff is everywhere. Got a shelf above the toilet where I keep all my bits. The throne. Don't know why this tray is here, but they put the hand towels there. Sink. And then they've got a couple of glasses. I mean, I never like to drink out of the glasses in the room, if I'm honest. And then inside the hairdryer bit, you've got the shaving plug in, well, the shaving plugs. I just plug my electric toothbrush in there. And then we've got a magnifying mirror with lights. Let me turn that light off and save electricity. And then the good thing about this mirror is that it doesn't steam up. And then you've just got like a shelf. I mean, if you've got other bits and pieces, and I guess you can put your hand, I usually put my hand towel there, but they've just come and cleaned the room. And the room is equipped with air conditioning. I've not really used it. I'm not a fan of air conditioning, and it hasn't been overly hot here. So yeah, and another mirror you can check your outfit in before you head out. So that's the room. That's the room. That's the room. This is room 208, looking out over the coastal road and Perry-Bear Beach. If you're concerned about the noise, they do have rooms which don't look over, don't look into the onto the road. They actually look into inside the internal courtroom. They might have some rooms which look out at the back, I'm not sure, but there's definitely plenty of rooms that look inside, where the balcony is not really outside, it's kind of inside, but it's much quieter. And this is quite a good location, literally just cross the road and you're at the beach within seconds. So that's the room tour. Thoroughly enjoying my room. I'm staying here because I was supposed to, this is actually an emergency accommodation for me, because I had checked into an Airbnb where I was meant to be staying for the next month. However, there was a rodent issue, so I just didn't feel comfortable staying there by myself, and also I didn't really like the location of it either. So anyway, I decided to kind of check out, and just checked into a hotel whilst I find myself another place to stay. So and this has been quite a nice little respite for me. So fingers crossed I'll have confirmation of where I'll be staying tomorrow. And that's it for this video. Please comment, subscribe, and do remember to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.